What's up, everybody? It's your choice. And welcome back to the channel for your ultimate guide to gaming setups. We're diving deep into the world of gaming, exploring everything from budget-friendly builds to those money-is-no-object setups. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, we've got you covered. We'll break down each setup, talk about the tech involved, and discuss the price points. So if you're ready to level up your gaming experience, let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with an entry-level option, the Classic Console Bundle. Take the PlayStation Classic, for example. This little guy comes preloaded with 20 iconic PlayStation games, giving you a healthy dose of retro gaming goodness. You can usually snag one for around $50, making it super affordable. Another great option is the Nintendo Switch Lite. This handheld-only version of the Switch is compact, portable, and boasts an impressive library of exclusive titles. The Switch Lite typically retails for around $200, offering an excellent balance of performance and affordability. Moving up the ladder, we're entering the realm of PC gaming. Building your own PC might seem daunting, but it's like putting together a high-tech Lego set. For a solid mid-range gaming PC, you're looking at a budget of around $1,000. This will get you a system that can handle most modern games at 1080p resolution with smooth frame rates. Think of components like an AMD Ryzen 5 processor, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super graphics card, and 16 GB of RAM. Don't forget peripherals. A responsive gaming keyboard, an accurate gaming mouse, and a decent headset can enhance your gaming experience. Building a PC is all about finding that sweet spot between performance and affordability. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Ready to step into next-gen gaming? Console bundles featuring the PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X are your ticket. These consoles offer stunning 4K visuals, lightning-fast load times, and immersive gaming experiences. The PlayStation 5 Digital Edition typically retails for around $400. The standard PlayStation 5 with a disk drive is around $500. The Xbox Series X, Microsoft's flagship console, usually retails for around $500. These next-gen powerhouses deliver incredible gaming experiences that will blow you away. We've arrived at high-end gaming PCs where performance is king. For a truly monstrous gaming PC, prepare to shell out upwards of $5,000. Think of it as an investment in unparalleled gaming experiences. At this price point, you're looking at the latest components like an Intel Core i9 processor, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 graphics card, and 32 GB of high-speed RAM. Custom water cooling loops, meticulously cable-managed interiors, and RGB lighting are key. A high refresh rate monitor or a multi-monitor setup is essential. Imagine immersing yourself in a game world spread across 3 curved monitors. Talk about an immersive experience. Step into the future of gaming with a luxury virtual reality setup. For a truly premium VR experience, you're looking at an investment of around $10,000. This will get you the best VR headset on the market, like the Valve Index or the Varjo Aero. You'll also want a robust VR-ready PC capable of handling high-end VR games. Consider dedicated VR accessories like haptic vests, full-body tracking systems, or omnidirectional treadmills. VR gaming is all about immersion, and with a luxury setup, you can blur the lines between the real and virtual worlds like never before. Finally, we've reached the pinnacle of gaming extravagance. Imagine a $10 million budget dedicated to crafting the ultimate gaming sanctuary. We're talking about a space designed by the world's best architects and acoustically tuned for an unparalleled audio-visual experience. Walls adorned with massive micro-LED displays delivering breathtaking visuals. Custom-built gaming rigs with cutting-edge hardware and liquid cooling systems. A fully immersive VR environment with haptic feedback floors, 360-degree projection mapping, and a professional-grade motion capture suit. A $10 million game room is about experiencing games on a whole new level. And there you have it, folks, your ultimate guide to gaming setups, from budget-friendly to bank-breaking. No matter your budget or gaming preferences, there's a setup out there for you. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the world of gaming. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which setup you'd love to have. As always, thanks for watching.